Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Bliss in the house. Y'all, it's like being a minute in between videos. Y'all say hello. Say hey to my son. Hey baby, I missed you too. Where your toy? Y'all, listen. Life has been happening, child. Auntie, child. Life has been happening. So, of course, work lately has been keeping me extremely busy. So, by the time I get home, sometimes it's a little after 6, and then your girl trying to get a workout in. Then I had a medical situation to unfold, y'all. Then I had to go out of town for work. So, y'all, been busy. Work is work. Y'all know how that go. But anyway, y'all see a difference? Y'all see that difference right there? Hey. Your girl has gone back to her bob braids. So I decided to give myself a break from the spring twist, passion twist, whatever you so choose to call them. I love them, but I started noticing that I was getting stragglers really bad per my last video that you guys saw about a week or two ago, something like that. So I said, well, let me go back to these here braids, get them a go, because I had been missing them anyway. But with the braids come hair gels, y'all, because y'all know I like to keep my baby hairs laid, yeah, laid. But I ran into a brick wall. So I tried to use this Eco Style olive oil gel, this right here. You guys have seen this. When the Eco Style first took off, it was this and I think another one, argan oil, olive oil, and that argan oil, and this was all everybody was talking about, right? Starting that, I initially liked it, but then I fell in love with the argan oil one versus the olive oil one. So I decided, let me get this olive oil one a chance again. So this is supposed to be a max 10 hold. That's what it say on here. So I tried to use this to apply to my edges, and this alone, I don't know what's going on here lately with these gels, but gel alone is not enough to lay my baby hairs down. So I said, okay, let me go to my little homie. Like my little homie, I keep this little homie on hand. My Murray's Edge Wax, right? So I'm like, why Murray's not holding my hair? I've had this particular Edge Wax for almost a year. Not quite, but we get in there. And I was using this in my hair for my edges, specifically my baby hairs, and it did wonders. So I don't know if it's getting old now, and that's why it can't lay my baby hairs down by itself. But y'all, these two products together, is a match made. So I've been out of town this weekend. I literally have been timing like how long these baby hairs will go stay laid on a girl. And for sure, hands down, 8 hours straight. Probably 9. But definitely I can account for 8 hours. With these two products together, it lays my baby hairs down wonderfully. Now, there is a trick to the madness to get it to act right. So, if you go in with the gel first, and then you apply the edge wax, you'll be funked up in the game. You gonna be funked up in this game. You hear me? Funked up. Funked up. So, for me, the way that I like to do it is I go in with my edge wax first. I go in with the wet Eco Style gel. Then I go in again with the edge wax. And I lay her down flat. And she lasts for me for 8 hours. Now that's my process. That works for me. And it keeps me looking good up here in the game. So Tell me if you've been having issues with your edge wax or your gel, girl. Has it been laying her down? Has it been laying her down? If not, if you've tried the combination of edge wax and gel, tell me how did that work for you, and in what order do you apply yours, because that may be beneficial for someone out there. I will see you tulips in the next video. Smooches. Mwah.